Keyboard shortcut for Chrome's developer tools on Mac? Is it possible to create a keyboard shortcut to open developer tools on Google Chrome on a Mac? Ctrl-Shift-J does it on Linux and Windows.
The default should be Command+Option+I, or Command+Option+J for the JavaScript console.
I think most keyboard shortcuts are listed in menus, when applicable. Also, you can often define your own custom keyboard shortcuts in OS X by going to System Preferences in GT, Keyboard and AMP, Mouse and GT, Keyboard Shortcuts, then adding a new shortcut that matches the name of the menu item you want to access. See full instructions at osksdaily.com. If needed, this osksdaily.com article has a good rundown on which symbols match which modifier keys. Also, I always remember the Alt/Option key because its symbol shows an alternate path.
Windows uses F12. You can map that to developer tools, which is what I did. Icon System Preferences. Keyboard Shortcuts, Tab button. Click the plus button. Application select, Google Chrome and/or Chromium and/or Google Chrome Canary. Menu item, Developer Tools. Keyboard shortcut, F12. Then hit Add, of course. Of course you can put in whatever you want there instead of F12.
For people who want to use the shortcut to F12, like in every other browser in OS, you can use the answer of Poly, but in the Shortcuts tab, you first need to click in the left listed app shortcuts. Then you get the plus button to add Google Chrome. Hint: if you use another language, the DevTools is also another name. For example, in German I have to use Entwicklertools. You can find the correct name if you look in Chrome.
If you want to support the channel,